Good day everyone. Before we get going, I just want to tell you that if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to me, like the video, give a thumbs up. Well, that didn't clean anything very well. Huh. Guess we need a new wiper blade. Good day everyone. Before we get going, I just want to tell you that if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to me, like the video, give a thumbs up. I have a whole bunch of how to do things on your own videos. I'll put a link down below. Plus I'm going to go over one type of wiper here. I also have another video which will be down in the description below. There'll be a link there too for a different type of wiper. So let's get started. Okay, the first step to replacing your wiper blade, go to your parts store, tell them what kind of vehicle you have, and they'll set you up. And you have basically three options. You can get original equipment manufacturer, which is going to fit. It's probably made by the original manufacturer that, you know, first made the wiper blade for your vehicle. The second option is the factory replacement style, which are very similar to OEM. They're designed to fit onto the vehicle and perform just like the original. And there's also universal fit ones. I'm not going to do the universal in this video, but if you check the link below, I have a video about a very common universal fit type wiper blade. A little bit different process, but nonetheless, let's get going here. So here's the new blade. This is a Trico exact fit. It's a factory replacement. This is the new one sitting here. Of course, the old one's here. Before you take off the old one, just make sure that it's approximately the same length. That's a good sign. And to know that you have the alignment proper, just look at there's a gap here on this one. Wider gap there. So that's the start. And let's get this thing off. Okay, so first things first, just take your wiper blade arm and just lift that right up. And I'm going to reposition the camera over here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, we have the wiper blade up, as I said, and just look under here, there's a little tab. So just take the blade, rotate it like that, take this tab, push it all the way there, all the way forward, I guess, and then just pull back. And then you can just maneuver this off. And here's the new blade. And again, that opening was on this side. So just rotate the little centerpiece out a bit, like this. Put that there. Just put the arm in. It'll fit in there nicely. Rotate it. Start pushing forward, and it locks into place. That's all there is to it, folks. Simple. Okay, so we have our blade in place, and just set it down onto the windscreen or windshield. And just so you know, the old one here, I mean, it was falling apart. I'll just show you here. I mean, not looking good, you know. So, you know, keep your family safe, keep yourself safe, keep a nice clean window. Easy to do, replace them. Okay, let's give them a try. Remember before it was leaving big streaks and stuff, so let's give them a wave here. Perfectly clean. All right, success. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.